Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's Looker Studio, I will show you how to create a scorecard that changes dynamically the dimension value. Okay, for example, showing sales by product, city or category using drop down. So this is the one of the most powerful tricks to make interactive dashboards. So let's get started. Okay, so currently we are in Looker Studio right now. So once we are in Looker Studio, if you go to here and click on the blank on right here, the blank report, if you click on blank report, it will open and it will if it is data connection is already established, it will go for the connection. If not, it will go for the, it will ask for the data connection to create. Okay, so it will automatically, it will connect the different data sources like Google Sheets, BigQuery or other data sources. So here currently we are already created them, the sheets, so connection is already available here. Okay, so if I click on here, yeah, I can add, the connection will be created. Yeah, so now we are going to create the scorecard. Okay, so here the chart is available. Okay, so I think earlier we discussed about the scorecard. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about the scorecard with dimensions. Okay, so once we click on here, we can place it in the canvas. Okay, so by default, Looker Studio picks random metrics like count of records. This needs to be changed dynamically. So for time being, so what is happening here? So the retail is by default it's selected as a the field, and this value how it is showing based on the record count. So I feel this is a record count which is the highest value. So that's why it is showing. Let me check the value here. Okay, let me go to the, yeah, currently we are in here. The dimension is, yeah, the record count. So here, if you select the dimension, it will show you the which is the dimension. So if I go down here, the scroll down, you can see the record count. So by default, record count wise, it is showing as a the top retailer. So which is in the descending order. Okay, let me instead of the record count, let me go to the sales. So this is the sales wise, this is the highest value. If I go to the lowest one is the Walmart. Okay, so if I want to show you the value, let me create one more table chart for you. Okay, so this is a record count. Let me add sales. Okay, yeah, now you can see. So this is the top one, the topmost retailer, which is having the highest sales. If I change the KP value to the lowest one, I mean, if I change the ascending order to, if I change the order to descending to ascending, it will show you the lowest one. Okay. And if you want to do the customization, I can go to the styles tab. I can do the customization. So here I am going to place it in the center, the field name, the same in the field value as well. And if any comparison, I can going to add in the comparison. So this is somewhat in the top level. I want to be in the middle. So yeah, here almost 24. Yeah, yeah. Now it is in the top. So I don't see the any border. I want to see the border as well. Can go and add the border. Yeah, there is no particular border color. Yeah, I can add here. So this is completely rectangle. So I don't want to be any rectangle type. I want to see some kind of some kind of oval shape. Yeah, here we are applying the styles. So if you want to change the font size, background color, border, icon shape, so this is the icon shape we are going to change. Like yeah, so this is the shape, right? Yeah. So if you want to change the icon shape, the border color, alignment, whatever the styling format, right? We can do the changes here. And if you want to create multiple the similar kind of KPIs, just we need to copy the same and we need to paste it in somewhere. Yeah, this will be applicable here. If you want to align both the KPIs in a proper order, you have option called in the arrangement. So so we can align properly. Okay. Yeah. So that's how we create a dynamic scorecard with Dimension and Looker Studio. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, a comment, your request, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thanks for watching.